So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh playlist of the Power BI. So recently we have covered all about the SQL. So here you can check out our SQL playlist. So today in this video we are going to see all about what is meant by the Power BI, why is it used, and the types of the dashboards and the types of the Power BIs, and everything we are going to cover all about in this video. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about the Power BI. Okay, so yeah, if we talk about what is meant by the Power BI, so basically Power BI is an business analytics tools which is provided by the Microsoft, which allows the users to visualize their data as well as share insights and data driven decisions. So basically here's what it does in a null sheet means, which connects to multiple data sources like example Excel, SQL databases as well as the web APIs, etc. So which transform and cleans the data using the Power Query, which creates interactive dashboards as well as reports with visual elements like charts, maps and table as well. Okay, so which enables sharing and collaboration across team with the Power BI service. Okay, so we are going to see afterwards that what is meant by the Power BI service. So this is an paid version. Now we are going to see about the free version, of course free, which supports real-time data monitoring and automatic data refreshes. It's popular among data analysts, business intelligence professionals and even non-tech users thanks to drag and drop interface. Okay, so basically if we talk about who the people use the Power BI mostly, so basically the Power BI is used by the data analytics or as well as business intelligence people. Okay, yeah, so if we talk about the how does the data transform, like example here is the data. Okay, this is the structured data which is present in the row as well as the columns, and this is an Excel sheet data, and just I want to know this all the data in the single dashboard. So in this case the Power BI comes under the picture. Power BI comes under the picture. Okay, so using the Power BI we can convert this raw data into the dashboards. Okay, so this is how you have shown, I hope, that what the powerful Power BI is it. Okay, so here you can see that this is known as the bar chart, this is known as the statistic, and this is known as the statistic, and here are some categories, and here is the graph, and just that's it, and this is about the dashboard. Okay, so if we talk about what are the visualizations tools which is present in the market, visualization tools means like the Power BI, how many tools are there which converts the raw data into the dashboard. Okay, so basically there are the tools like Tableau, Power BI as well as Google Analytics and etc. But if we talk about leading, so the Power BI is leading in the market right now. So yeah, there is an high demand of the Power BI. This is made by the Microsoft, and just that's it. And in this video we have shown all about the what is Power BI and what is the dashboard and what are the visualizations tool which is present in the market. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe, and in the next video we are going to see all about the what type of the data can Power BI connect to. Okay, so let's see you in the next video guys.